Okay, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how to analyze your token before you buy them, right? Now a lot of times you want to buy a particular token, you have the contract address, but you actually want to do some research about that particular token before you can buy them in order to have your conviction. Now in this video I'm going to show you using a particular platform which I have used in the past and I've made a lot of profit, analyzing my token through the platform before getting to buy them. Now my last video I talked about how to copy contract address. For some of you who don't know how to copy a contract address, you can watch the video here and get your contract address and proceed on how to analyze before you buy. Please, if this is the first time you're coming to this channel or you've not subscribed, you can do well to subscribe, like, share, and stay tuned as we'll be bringing more updates here for you. Now we'll have to go to Chrome, and when we get to Chrome, the name of the website which we are going to use is Token Sniffer, right? So I hope you can see it here. Look at it here. It's called Token Sniffer. Then I will now click on it. Now once the website load up, this is how it looks. As you can see, this is how it looks. So you will now see a bar here said search token by address. Now the address they are talking here is not just your normal address, but the contract address which you must have copied, or maybe someone sent it to you, right? Now let's go to my WhatsApp so that I'll get this contract address. I've already gotten the contract address, so I paste it here for the use, right? Then I'll come to here, I'll now paste the contract address. So after pasting, you will see a pop-up will show here with the name of the token, right? Because BSC, then this is creepy, right? I'll now tap on it and it will load up. Now here is where the whole analysis starts. So as you can see here, it says BSC scan, right? Now look at it, 100 over 100. I hope you can see here. So it's giving you 100 over 100. That is the score they are giving you here. And you can see the swap analysis. They said token is sellable, not a honeypot. So as you can see, the token is sellable, and they say buy fee is less than 5%. Sometimes some token are just honeypot. You buy them and they rock pool, and sometimes even the buying fee will be very higher than sometimes half of the amount you want to buy. You get me? So they are trying to tell you that the buying fee is less than 5%, the selling fee is also less than 5%. Now you see contract analysis, verified contract source, ownership is renounced, right? It means that the owner have no right to to dump on you. Creator not authorized for special permission. The creator is just like you, they don't have special permission, right? Token bond, you can see 6.89% circulating supply. As you can see, circulating supply 642 billion. You can see. So creators wallet contains less than 5%. Sometimes when you see some creators, they will be having up to 50%, 30%, or even 70% of that token. You know that the token is a honeypot, because immediately they dump, the whole market will crash, right? But here they are trying to tell you that creators wallet contains just less than 5% of the circulating token supply. You see, even if the creator decide to dump, because of other holders, this market will not crash. That is what it's trying to tell you, right? Now here you see all other holders possess less than 5% of the circulation. You see, so for every other holders apart from the creator, the supply each of the wallet is holding is not more than 5% of the circulating supply, meaning that since the creator is not even holding more than 5%, even other holders, meaning that maybe his team or something is not holding a bigger bag of the token, which means nobody can dump on you. Top 10 token holders possesses less than 70% of circulation token supply. What it means is that the total of 10 top holders in this, so the top 10 holders on this token, the total they are having is not even up to 70% of the total circulation supply, and they are telling you it is 17.41. See the liquidity analysis, adequate current liquidity and all of that. So what this analysis is telling you is that this particular token is good to go. Why? Because the creator is having just less than 5%. Contract is renounced, right? And you can see they told you it's not a honeypot. No buy fee is less than 5% and all of that. So from my own analysis, right, I can actually say that this particular token is a good one to buy, and you must not buy this. This is not a financial advice. I'm just trying to give you a tool and how I have been able to analyze before I get in. So I hope you can see it. Everything is neat, and I will be dropping more videos on other tools. This is not just I think this is just one of the tools I have. I'll be dropping more videos on other tools, like 3 or even 4 tools that I used to confirm before I get into the market. So you have to stay tuned to this channel, subscribe. We'll be bringing you more updates, and see you on the next one.